Well, if you follow our page, you know that Max gets a lot of attention for his ears, but we want to take a little bit of time and show off Trixie. You can see she gets super excited whenever anybody calls her name. She's always amped up, jumping around like a true psychopath, but she's really a sweet dog and really beautiful. You can see very symmetrical markings. She's got a full white vest that goes down her chest. She's really a pretty dog. She does have one deformity, though. On her back right foot, you can see she's got this weird toe that like doesn't have a bone in it. It's just like cartilage, and she also needs a nail trim. But she's the first Boston we've ever had, and she's a wonderful dog. We love her to death. If you want to see more about her, just follow us.